Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Jane Shara. At ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng Home Alone Anomaly. Kasi guys, there is a new event na may bago. Sige lang. Spider-Man ba yun?
Okay.
Anyways, yun na maglalaro tayo ng Home Alone Anomaly dahil may bagong events. And we're gonna try kasi hindi pa natin siya naka-counter or napiplay yung bagong events ngayon. So, ano pa hinihintay natin at magsimula na tayo. Ayan na nga, nag-start na.
I have to leave for the night. I'll be back at 6 a.m. You'll be okay. I left chores on the board. You need to earn your allowance money before I get home. If someone knocks, don't open right away. Look through the front door glass.
Check the camera.
Check the cameras on
Oh,
your
diba?
laptop. Listen to what they're saying. Help the people who really need it, and you'll earn your allowance money. Let the wrong ones in, and you'll know. If something doesn't look or sound right, turn off the porch light and they'll leave. Have a good night. Take care of the house.
Okay! Okay, so start na tayo. Wala pa naman, nandiyan na agad. Bago ba to?
My dog jumped over your fence.
Ay, hindi.
Can I go into your backyard and get him?
Okay, check daw natin ang kanyang aso. Check ang aso yan, ha. Oh. Ganda ng aso mo, ya. Kamukha mo. Sana all kambal. Water tayo ng water. Ha?
What?
Sa lahat, para sa akin, sa lahat ng mga task dito, yung kinakahirapan ko halos dito is yung yun doon sa fuse box. Kasi ang hirap niya, ang random ng at hindi mo alam kung ano yung mali doon, kung ano dapat yung ang dami na ng Yes.
Plumber, open up, please. I'm here to fix the leaking bath faucet.
My parents didn't tell me about that.
I just go where the work order sends me. Open the door and I'll get it fixed real quick.
Okay, check natin guys kung nag-leak. Bath, faucet. Wala, hindi. So hindi siya Also, kahit wala din naman, still, hindi siya nagli-leak. So, off natin yan. Sorry,
Fine, enjoy
officer.
the dripping then.
Gusto ko talaga, ma-counter yung bagong, ngayon, bagong anomaly. Kasi, siya, maganda daw ata. Sabi daw kasi new visitor. So, hindi natin alam kung ano yun. At buti na rin din, hindi ako na, If you hear footsteps, probably just the building settling. Settling. The babysitter is coming tonight. Be in your room when she arrives. Okay. Wash the bathroom. Wait lang. Ano muna natin to?
Sorry to bother you. I'm not feeling right. Are you okay? I just got really dizzy. Could I rest in your bed for a few minutes?
Oh, sige, wait lang.
I'm sorry. My feet are killing me.
But hindi ako nagbabody shame, ha. Doon sa camera kasi mapayat siya. Pero dito medyo mataba-taba. So, hello.
Alright.
Goodbye.
I'll try to find somewhere else to rest.
Wala akong masabi. Okay, ano yung next task? Wash the bathroom. Sabi nila may bagong events daw. Like, bagong, hopefully, wala naman nagtatakot sa akin. Cooks tomorrow's lunch. Okay. Wait lang!
think my cat runs to the house.
Wait lang, nagluluto yung tao. Tayo ka. To black cat daw, pero hindi siya black. So, hindi siya black.
Fine.
Ikaw black. Okay, waterback. May mga web shoot na siya. Spider-Man! Ay, joke lang.
Searching the neighborhood for an escaped prisoner. He was seen nearby about an hour ago.
What should I do?
Open the door. I need to check around your house to make sure he's not hiding here.
Wala naman talaga nagtatago eh. Wala naman nagtatago.
Fine, stay inside and hope he doesn't pick this house.
Yeah, I hope you doesn't pick this house. Diba? Okay. So far, okay naman yung bahay. Nakailangan na tayo. Oh my god, fix the fuse. Fix the fuse. Wait lang. Ayun.
I need help with the homework.
Okay. Dito
We
na
have
homework.
math homework due tomorrow. I'm stuck on question 7. Can you open the door so we can compare what we have? Come on.
Wait lang bro.
The assignment's due tomorrow.
Okay naman siya.
Thanks. I got 34.
Remove the spider web.
67.
Remove the
Great.
spider web, clean your
One
room
of us
faster.
is very wrong. Okay. I'll redo it and text you the answer.
Woo! Ang galing natin guys. Magaling tayo. Tayo matalino.
Child. Anyway, so
Ay! Putang ina mo. Sorry. Natatakot ko yung pusa ko guys.
Hello?
Ay! Gago! Nakilang... Malamig na yung katawan.
Got lost walking home.
I got lost walking home. Are you okay?
I
I don't know where I am. Can you bring me your phone so I can call home?
Please don't leave me out here.
Okay. Hell no. Bitch, bye! Pwede maglakad ka? Kasalanan ko? Okay. Tapos na tayo sa ating... ano kaya yung bag? Hindi pa natin nakaka-counter yung bag of visitor. Ano yung itsura nun? Ano daw? When the babysitter is coming tonight, be in your room when she arrives. Okay. Be in your room when she arrives.
I need to ask you a few questions. We're tracking an escaped alien organism.
An alien?
It can imitate human behavior. Open the door. I need to ask you a few questions inside.
I need to ask you a few questions inside.
This concerns your safety.
Oh. Okay. Yes.
Any unusual
Yes.
noises? Lights in
Shut the
sky?
fuck up. Yes.
think so.
Stay inside tonight for your safety.
Okay. Okay, so it seems na may bago tayong quest. May bago tayong task. And it's to clean the windows. Check natin kung ano pa yung mga ano natin. Okay, make some coffee. Clean parents' room. Wash the dishes. Clean the windows. Clean the windows. Ay, may papupunta. Sino yan? Sino yan? Oh, yung ballerina. Lang, let's make a coffee first.
Hello? I want to show you something.
Show you something. What is it?
I'm practicing for a recital tomorrow. I need one more person to watch my choreography.
Right now?
Kaya nga.
Please, I just need a little space to dance.
kang tumitingin sa akin? Ang weird mo.
Please, it'll only take a minute.
Yeah, we're just gonna take a minute.
So much.
Time, please.
Watch
Wala akong paki sa'yo. Hindi ka tayo pa, anuin. Okay, good. Ay! Saan na? Saan na? Lang, lamig ng katawan ko. Wala na. Sure na yan? Paano ko malilinis yung kwarto? Eh, nandun siya. May gago. Ay na naman babaeng to.
Jess?
I'm not Jess.
Oh, sorry.
I'm lost.
Alam ko naman sasabihin mo yan eh.
My phone died. Can I borrow yours?
Okay naman siya. Okay. So, dahil dun sa may naghahabol, hindi ko na kayang pumunta sa parents room.
Thank you.
Pero tatry natin dahil yun yung task natin. Okay, wala na. Wala na. Not gonna lie, ang creepy ng larong to ah. Uy! May lipad eh. Ay! Ayoko na. Lamig na ng katawan ko, boy. Ang lamig na ng katawan ko. Brown yung tubig natin, kadiri. Lang.
City maintenance, open up please.
Natatakot kasi.
We started emergency water work on your street tonight.
Okay.
Your water's probably running brown by now.
Seriously?
Yeah, go check. I have
It's leaking brown. Kanina. Kanina nga lang.
I just need to hand you a notice.
Papasukin ko ba?
Sorry for the inconvenience. Have a good night.
Pag nag-iba yung bahay, meaning nagkamali tayo. So far, wala naman. Okay, hindi tayo nagkamali. That's good. Hindi tayo nagkamali. Oh, hindi ako makalakad kahit saan kasi natatakot ako yung baka sa magpapap yung kupal na yun eh. Mga kalbo.
You got any food in there? I haven't eaten in 2 days.
Oh,
Hey,
ano?
don't ignore me, please.
Yo. Yo.
All right, friend. Enjoy your full belly.
Pero paalis na siya. Okay, so far, nagiging okay naman. We're doing good. Okay, 148. Uy. Okay pa yung ating bahay. Ah, gago! Tigil mo na! Ayoko na!
Can I help you? Your camera is pointing at my house. No, it's pointing at our car. Open the door now. We need to talk about this.
Nope. Bitch.
Unbelievable. I'll handle it myself.
So, pag nagbago yung bahay natin, meaning is mali tayo sa Karen. Oh my God, natakot ako doon. Uy, sabi na eh! Mali nga tayo sa Karen. Karen. Ay, gago. Nakakalimutan ko na lang to lagi ah. So, kapag sa Karen, paanoin yung ano niya, clean the kitchen. Yes!
Yo, open up!
Yo, open up. Bago to.
Yo, I'm doing a late night stream challenge. I need people for content.
You want me to be in your stream?
Yeah. For a sec. Chat wants to meet you.
Probably no, bro.
Alright, chat, we're out. That was
Gusto
kind
mo
of
na
mid.
mag-live stream. Ano to? Tour? House tour? Okay naman ako. Sayang, nagkamali tayo. Okay, anong oras pa? Okay, konting ire na lang, konting ire. So, 1:51. Ah! Gago! Ayoko na to laruin. Ayoko na. Pero malapit na rin tayo.
A neighbor reported smoke coming from your oven.
Okay, meron nga.
Open the door. I need to check it myself.
Kailan tayo nagluto? Kanina.
Stay back for me. Yep, there's smoke. I got it.
Kalbo. Ay, baliw.
You're lucky someone called it in early.
Thank you very much. Oh, dumagdag. Hindi. Oh, no.
I'm home. Look at you. You made it. The
Oh.
house looks good.
Oh.
You got the allowance money too.
Oh.
Here. You earned this.
Oh, okay.
Go to sleep.
We made our mama proud. Okay guys, so dito na lang tayo mag-stop and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!